So today I'm going to be putting on the new spark arrestor, made specifically for the RS3. Should be quite a quick install. Got a bit of blue Loctite which I'm going to lose on the nuts as well. Should be pretty quick and painless. Apparently 4 decibels this will take off. I like the exhaust, I like the sound, but it is a bit loud, so this should just lower it just enough. And there you go, off it comes. You can actually see a tiny bit of blue on these, so they have been Loctited using the same, which is medium strength. And here's the spark arrestor. Should just, bearing in mind the angle which that comes, to make sure kind of in the same way. Kind of down there. Blue Loctite on these. There's no torque setting on these. Just going to tighten them up hand tight. Here we go. Job done. Okay, time to run it up and see what difference that has made.